how to transfer money between accounts on Wise. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Wise account, sign in, and once we've signed on, we can see here our send money option. So all we need to do is to send money here, and by then you will be routed to this page in where you can actually edit and uh, you know type in how much you would like to send to the person or to the recipient. So for example, $100, and then it will be for like a Filipino currency, or also you can change the currency, like for example, euro. So there, now all we need to do is to click on continue. All right, the next thing that we need to do is to check on the recipient details. All right, so for example, it's not for yourself but for someone else, and there you can input their email or phone. If you don't have this, then click on I don't have these details, and then input their account details. By then click on confirm, and in this section you would just have to review all the details and pay. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.